Hello everyone, welcome to Maika Kids channel. Today we're going to explore kangaroos, one of the most iconic and fascinating animals of Australia. Kangaroos belong to the Macropodidae family, known for their strong build, large hind legs, and long, pointed ears. Kangaroos stand between 1 to 2 meters tall and can weigh up to 90 kilograms for males. They are distinguished by their powerful hind legs and long tails, which help them maintain balance while jumping. Kangaroos can leap up to 9 meters in a single bound and can move at speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour. Kangaroos live in groups, usually consisting of one dominant male, several females, and their young. Each group has a clear social structure, with the dominant male often referred to as a boomer. This male uses powerful kicks and punches to protect the group and assert his dominance. Kangaroos are herbivores, primarily feeding on grass and leaves. Their digestive systems are well adapted to survive in harsh, arid environments. One of the most unique features of kangaroos is the pouch on the female's front, where their young, called joeys, develop after birth. Joeys are born very small, about 2 centimeters in length, and continue to grow in the mother's pouch until they are big enough to leave and become independent. Kangaroos play a crucial role in Australia's ecosystem, helping to control plant growth and maintain ecological balance. They're also a national symbol of Australia, appearing on many of the country's emblems and coins. However, kangaroos face challenges such as habitat loss, competition with humans and other animals, as well as threats from hunting. Conservation efforts are being made to protect kangaroos and preserve their biodiversity in the wild.